Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as part of learning JavaScript, today we'll learn about data types and data structure. So what is mean by data type? Here is the definition. The kind of data which we are working with or storing in variables is called data type. Means in the previous videos we have learned about variables. So in each variable we are storing some data. Either it is a string or it is a number, right? So there we are defining it. Means while we are storing the data into the variable, if we are storing string, it can be called as a data type is string. If you are storing number, it can be called as data type is number. So we are defining the data, what kind of data it is. So that is data type. Okay, let's come to the data structure. See, data structure is a collection of data. So in the data, there may be one single data type or a different data types, but it is a collection of data. Okay, why we need this data structure is, so while developing application or while using the data, we have to arrange that in a proper order, then we can utilize it well. Okay, that is called the arranging of the data is called data structure. It is a simple definition. Utilize it well, that's it. Okay, come to the data types. In this, we have the primitive data types and non-primitive data types. What is meant by primitive? Primitive means basic, right? So basic or primitive data types are comes as inbuilt data types. Means every language will have their inbuilt data types like string, number, int, integer. Likewise. So the primitive data types are like that. It will comes as inbuilt. What about non-primitive data types? So non-primitive data types is nothing but other than the primitive data types. What kind of data types we are making, that can be called as non-primitive data types. Means here non-primitive data types can be derived from the primitive data types. Means see, here there is example object and array. If you consider object, in the object you can create a key value and keep, right? For every key, some key value will be there. But the key value, it may be a number, it may be a string, it may be some other data type. All the data types are coming in a single object, right? So that means we have created data like that using the existing data types. Are you getting my point? I will tell you in the code. See, for example, you have um, see object. I will create object. See, this is the object syntax. So I'm creating one key value. Key value is I will give key. Okay, key value I'm giving string now. Okay, now key 2 I'm giving its number. Number means I can give 1, right? Likewise, we are giving all the data in a single object, but these data types are existing data types, primitive data types. So the non-primitive data types can be derived using these primitive data types. I hope you understood this non-primitive data types. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next video.